Hi guys, we're now here at Lien Khuong International Airport in Nhat City in Vietnam. Now we're here quite early for our flight going back to Ho Chi Minh City. Now because of that, I'll be able to pan the camera across and for you to see what their international airport / domestic airport looks like. So as I have mentioned earlier, this is a mix of an international airport and domestic airport. So it is fairly small, but still functional, of course. There's a separate, well, it's just one entrance, but then again, there's separate gates and counters for international departures. You'll be able to see the flight number and the airline that's currently open for check-in and bag drop. Now we are going to the domestic part of this one. We already know our gates. However, since we are here quite early, we were told to wait for an hour or so and just look into the teleprompters and see if we find our flight number that is already open for bag check-in. So the next time I see you, perhaps is when we're already boarding our plane. So we are now boarding our flight to Ho Chi Minh City. Now, for this one, it's quite good because we're not delayed or anything. If ever we are, it's just about, I think, 15 to 30 minutes. So it's not really a dire time that we waited. Though the boarding was more in order, as I should say. Because, you know, everyone was a bit more relaxed. Yeah, so I believe that would be our plane. Yeah. See, we are able to bring our Martin backpacker guitar all over. So that went through different flights from the Philippines to Ho Chi Minh, from Ho Chi Minh to Da Nang, from Da Nang to Dalat, and now from Dalat going back to Ho Chi Minh. So we're just going to wait for this. And then, hubby, I'll perhaps resume once we're inside the aircraft. So now boarding the plane. Just waiting on the one in front for the tickets. Right. So in this specific flight, as I mentioned earlier, it is quite in order in terms of the boarding. So, okay, now so we already arrived at Tan Son Nhat International Airport under domestic arrivals. We already claimed our bags. It was just a bit of a wait, about 15-20 minutes before we got our bags. But now we're on our way to our hotel again here in Ho Chi Minh and have more adventure in the city. So I'll see you in the next video, on the next vlog, once we explore the city once more.